It's not that warm.
The teachers love me a lot. It's so powerful.
There must be almost a foot of snow. Now the car's a little bit stuck. We're home now and it's dinner time. Baby, I know you're not finished yet, Beatrice. Oh, are you trying to use your chopsticks?
It's not working.
Oh man. Gotta keep practicing, huh?
Help me.
Papa will help you. She wants help with her chopsticks.
Alright. Hi. Have we got this right? There you go.
Wow, Beatrice.
You can have more.
Oh, wow, good job, Beatrice. And you got a nice piece of chicken. Something exciting is happening today.
Leveling up, are we?
So Tim is converting Beatrice's crib.
Crocodile crib.
Okay, there's a lot going on in here. We're converting the crib into a toddler bed. Are you a big girl? Are you gonna have a big girl bed?
Someone's got a toddler bed. Okay, Bibi, I need those screws, okay? Can you get me some screws?
What?
Thanks, my sweetie. Can I have a popo? Oh. Cute.
Wow, look at your bed.
You can climb on and off
All by
all
yourself.
by yourself now. Yeah.
Beatrice, can you say thank you, Appa?
Thank you, Appa.
Popo.
Oh, hug. Oh,
Elsa.
hug for Appa.
I'm Elsa.
Okay, Elsa. I love you, Elsa.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Aww.
Hi. I'm in Anna's castle.
Okay.
We live on the earth. We had a spaceship. We said 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It blasted off. First we went on this planet. It was called Moon. And then we went on Venus. Then Saturn. Then Neptune. Then Mars. Then Jupiter. Then the hottest planet where the sun lived. It is called Mars. We couldn't go on 3 planets. Those are too dangerous. Because
Okay.
of those snow planets, we went back to Earth. It was perfect. We went in Canada.
Hi, loves. You got a candy? Nice. A little treat for the bike ride, okay? Have a good ride.
Thank you.
Coffee or tea, Americano or espresso. I don't know how I can espresso.
You guys swimming?
There's a guy swimming in the river.
We can take in the sun. I think it'd be fun, even if it
for a lunch spot. I think we're gonna settle right here.
What do you like to do?
So it's been unseasonably warm in Calgary. We've had no snow for several weeks. It was about 15 or 16 degrees the other day, so it's crazy, but we're not gonna complain. We're just enjoying it. Tim is wearing shorts.
Yeah.
It's not that warm. There are people paddleboarding today on the Bow River. We saw someone swimming earlier. Getting ready to go. We're both totally passed out.
I'm a smarty pants. Why that?
Hi.
I love your Christmas sweater, man.
You have a matching one.
I do.
And
What you got in there?
I need to say the teachers love me a lot.
The teachers love you a lot?
Yes,
Oh.
and this is magic reindeer food. You put it on your head and then you become Santa's reindeer.
Oh my golly gumdrops.
Mama, do you mind opening this?
I would love to.
And then you can ring the bell. I'll show you how to.
Oh, okay.
But then don't take the bell off.
Okay.
It's not glued on.
I'm a little gutted because Levi said that this was for me and Gloria, but anywho.
Just you.
I'll
Anywho.
share it with you.
Mm-hmm.
So today is Levi's second to last day of school for the semester, and he brought home this card. So it looks like a thumbprint Christmas tree, a beautiful drawing. And what could this be? It sounds like
A bell.
a bag of gold.
Woo! Could be a bunch of fairies tied up.
Hey!
Oh.
I'll show you how to ring it. It's a Christmas bell.
That's the perfect ornament for our tree.
Oh, it makes such a sweet ringing sound.
Yeah.
Do you want to hang it on the tree?
No.
Is it?
Yeah, it does have a
Mama,
little
don't
bell
take it
inside,
out.
right?
I know.
Mama,
Oh, I love it.
thank you.
So is that mine or are you taking it?
I'm taking. Mama, but this card is yours.
Okay.
I'm Snoop.
Oh my gosh, look at you. You're a Grom. So we had to get Levi a board, bindings, and boots because he's having lessons at Nakiska this winter, but they don't have any more rentals available. So we were like, oh my gosh, woo!
Snowboard.
Yeah, put your arms out like this. Oh yeah, look at that balance. Oh my gosh, you're so good.
What?
Okay, and so that's from Harmony.
What is that?
It's like a wand, a frozen wand. It talks. It sings. Okay, and then it is, and then let BB open hers. It's singing.
Wow.
Oh.
What did you get from Harmony?
It's so powerful when they sing together.
Oh my gosh, it's a duet.
Can you hear it?
So cool. Okay, what do you say to Harmony?
Thank you, Harmony.
Yeah. Do you want to open it?
Secret silence,
Come.
unlocked adventure call. I have my adventure Now I don't need something new, but I'm frightened my whiskers and I follow you into the unknown.
So you get Elsa, and Oppa's got the other Elsa too, right? So you can play with Oppa.
Into the unknown. Oh, can you hear me? Can you feel me? Can you show me?
Let's go. Yeah!
Nice. Oh yeah. I know, very cool microphone. You want to go again? Woo, yeah. Whoa, look at that balance. Yes. It's a good song though.
I like it.
Whoa, she got up by herself. Look at that balance. Oh yeah. Wow.
Okay, BB cam is on the go.
And Piggy on the go.
Piggy on the go. Okay, move the camera there. There's Piggy. Hello.
I am Captain Marvel.
You're Captain Marvel with an Elsa wand, yeah? Levi's fascinated with these kids playing ice hockey.
It's time for their favorite snack, Yakult. We just got back from the grocery store.
Mr. Camera, wanna drink some?
Thank you. Thank you.
Mr. Camera, do you wanna drink some?
Yes, please. Thank you. Whoa, drink it slowly. Aika. Drink it slowly, okay? Oh my god. Did you hear that? Guys, look at all the snow.
I'm not going sledding.
Yeah.
Mr. Camera.
Uh-huh.
Look at my car.
Cool. So
And
cool.
also, you were right. It was a big dump of snow. But on this Christmas.
Wow.
Morning. Our neighbor's dog's decided to come and visit, and he's whipped out his snow plow, so he's killing it on the sidewalk there. Someone's gonna go solo. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Here we go. All right.
Is there too much snow?
Maybe he's too light.
Okay, let me and Bibi try.
Okay.
There's too much snow.
No, you can do it.
No, it's not moving.
Really?
Oh.
Hi guys.
Dad.
We tried digging a path. We'll see how that goes now.
Can't even walk up there.
Okay.
Ah! A mountain climbing! Oh, there. Did she?
Making the path a little wider there. Alright, we figured out that we have to dig and plow a path, and we've made one. Okay, watch out. Here we go.
Oh, I see Charlie. Well poised with a shovel full of snow.
Whoa, that was a good run.
But then look at us.
We're pretty much submerged in the snow. Can you get up?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, what a crazy morning. We actually got in the car because we wanted to drive to the sledding spot, but as soon as we left the garage we knew it was a huge mistake because there must be almost a foot of snow. I don't know what we were thinking, but there was no turning back. We couldn't reverse, so then we kind of drove around and we just had to park somewhere. Now the car is a little bit stuck and there's so many cars, big trucks slipping and sliding around. So
Come on.
that was crazy. But we're happy to be sledding.
Come on.
Can you please pull me back up?
I
Whoa.
think I will. I can.
Okay. So we're home now.
Can I have a cookie?
Yeah, you can. Our neighbor who saw us get stuck earlier told her husband, and so the husband and the son had already dug our car out by the time we got home, and they dug a path from the road to the garage. Oh, they're so nice.
Yeah.
People here are
So kind-hearted.
yeah, so friendly, so warm, so helpful. Love Canada. Whoa, that's also from our neighbors. They always get the kids gifts. They're so sweet.
We have
They're
two.
so whoa, one for each of you?
And we have a card.
Oh, we love cards. You want to open it?
What is inside?
It's chocolate. Funny.
Yeah.
Like, just let me know where you are and I'll try and help you if you're in my neighborhood.
Epic snow piles at Chinook Center.
These mountains of snow, oh my gosh. They're just on the side here. And they have these little vehicles that they drive around to clear out the snow on the sidewalk for the customers. More of the snow that I was talking about earlier. It's been graded to make this place clear for the cars, and you can see all that snow. It's probably gonna be here until June.
Olaf needs our help.
Oh boy, oh
Just
boy.
one transition for my
job,
best
Timmy.
friends. The fake
Are
of the
we
one
on
and that's
four-wheel drive?
away.
Yeah.
Oh! Went.
Ton of snow on
Well,
this side road.
probably went on the mission to talk tip down. And that's
Season and hue. Let's take a trip out to LA. We can chill, look get crazy. It doesn't really matter to me. I just need you. We can see midnight in Paris.
Who's ready to go sledding?
yay!
Woo! How's the view up there? Yeah!
Hi.
Are you gonna go slow or fast? You're gonna fly down the hill?
Like sky.
Like Sky!
Way to go, champ.
That was awesome.
Great job, man.
Going again.
All right, you do it.
Go. Okay, watch out, Levi.
Oh yeah.
Or ride a ferry to the city. This feels right. So we